Hey guys, hi, welcome. It's Patricia with Jermel Engineering and happy Saturday. I hope your Saturday is going great. So, Jermel Engineering is an IT engineering firm and we do some website design, website development, we do hosting support as well. We do payroll, we do transportation. And today I want to talk to you guys about money saving strategies. I know on Saturdays some of you don't work and you're at home. And yeah, I woke up like this with no hair. Okay, so money saving strategies. So, number one, make your own hair. I try to make mine by myself. That's why I don't have a puffy hair today. Learn how to fix your own nails. Okay, you don't have to go to the massage parlor. I know it's been a tough year. The past 2 years have been tough. Learn to sell your used clothes. Some people just give you this, but they don't tell you where you can sell your clothes. I'm going to give you the secret. You can sell your old used clothes at eBay. You can resell them at Poshmark. You can go ahead and resell them over at Etsy. Even your kids' old clothes can be sold over there. You can also fix your basement and you can rent it out. You can rent it out for as a landlord to a tenant, or maybe you can rent it out to, let's say, people who are shooting these clips, movies, movie stars, and all these producers. If you want to do that and work with the producers, you want to go and register with Gigster. That's Gigster. I believe that's how you spell it. You want to register with Silvernet, Silvernest. Okay, there's also another one called Peerspace, Peerspace. So that way they can actually, if you fix your basement a little bit well, so that they can take like photo shoots for models and all those people, they can literally actually pay you like 900 for 2 hours or for the whole stay. So it depends with what you actually want them to, whatever contract you might have with them. Another way to actually save is if you don't want to hire a nanny, get your kids to actually understand rules, follow rules, have a calendar either on the refrigerator, and they have to follow it from morning to evening every day. Okay, that way they can get used to it and they won't be like, oh mommy, why is it happening now? Oh daddy, I don't want to do this. So start them when they're young. It's gonna help. um hmm, you know what, I'm gonna call them back later on. And the next thing you want to do, another thing you want to do is you want to do fun free activities with your kids. If you go out, there are times when people like gymnastics, kickboxing, and all those, they go out there and they're asking, hey, do you want to sign up your kid for a free service with us? And so if you say yes, they'll be able to do those activities for free. Monkey see, monkey do bars. They're able to go there once in a while, see if your kid likes to actually participate in those things before you sign them up. Okay. Um, Another thing, selling any of your used. The team should be picking that up. I apologize. Working 24/7. Okay. Yeah. You might want to also sell your kids' lightly used toys, and that can be done with Etsy, Facebook, eBay. All those places actually help a lot with that. Yeah, other places are Poshmark and Treadsy. I haven't used Treadsy before, but you might want to check it out. If you're great with building pre-K tools, pre-K, all these educational materials, and you're good with building up these clays. They're called, I forget the name of the clays, but they're these clays that you can go ahead, purchase them. You build a bear out of them. You put them inside an oven for a certain amount of time, and right after you pull it out, you can grab that clay and actually sell it out on Etsy, and kids love it because they put like keychain inside of those clays, and a lot of people buy those and they hook them up on their on their bags and stuff, so it can act as a keychain, or maybe the keys for the cars and stuff. You might want to take a look at that and build something artsy and sell it on eBay or Etsy. Okay, there's some people who are making masks, so face masks, and they also do it with clothes. They just cut it up, uh, they sew it up, and then they post it up on Etsy. If you're what else? I guess these are just a few things I wanted to share with you. And if you guys know other areas where some moms, and dads are able to go out and um, make money out of, go ahead and post it down below. And let's help each other grow, okay? Have a fantabulous day, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Okay, bye.